With the kind of economy that we are living in today, no matter where you work or how much you earn, having a side hustle always makes sense. The income that you generate from your side hustle can help you go through tough times or give you those extra indulgences like planning a vacation or self-pampering sessions that you desire. Since I am a writer, I have developed multiple income sources from my writing. Some of them include income from freelance writing, from content writing, from my own blog, my website, my YouTube, etc. But if you are not a writer and you don't have the writing skills, how can you build a side hustle? In this video, I'm going to introduce you to a very interesting side income opportunity using which you can become a published author on Amazon and make $200, $500, even $1,000, however much you want on the side. And the best part is you don't have to be a writer for that. You don't need to have designing skills. You don't need to have any kind of marketing skills. Are you excited? Let's get started. Before I walk you through how exactly you can do this, let me discuss the process a little bit more. And this process is you can publish blank journals or planners on Amazon and you can sell them and make money through it. And you know what's the most interesting part? Because you're partnering with Amazon, you do not have to do the hard part like printing the book or sending the journals to the people around the world. All you have to do is do some product research, create the book and list it on Amazon, and the rest Amazon will take care of you. All you have to do is set up a product page on Amazon, and then whenever there is some customer support needed or whenever there is some sale going on, your book will automatically be put up for sale and the customer service part will be taken care of by Amazon. This way of making money by selling journals on Amazon is a truly passive way of making money where you put in a little bit of active effort in the beginning and the rest, it just keeps making money for you over and over again. Now you might be wondering, how is it possible? Why will Amazon even take care of the sales and customer support and shipping for you, right? Let me introduce you to this interesting concept Amazon has. It's called the POD or the print on demand service. So basically it works in that way. As an author, you can list your book on Amazon, you can upload the manuscript on Amazon and Amazon will print it for you. This POD service is part of Amazon's KDP or Kindle Direct Publishing Services. It doesn't matter if you are writing a book with 60,000 words or you are publishing a planner that has only blank pages. Amazon is going to take care of the printing. And it's called print on demand because there is no inventory kept by Amazon. No one is going to print thousands of copies of your book and store it in some warehouse. No. Every time a customer places an order, your book is going to be printed and shipped to them. That is what is meant by print on demand. And that is what Amazon takes care of for you. To publish planners and journals on Amazon, you do not need any experience. You do not need any money investment because Amazon KDP is free. All you need is a BookBolt membership. If you're wondering what BookBolt is, this is the amazing, wonderful, all-in-one tool that you need to know to do your product research, to do some keyword research, to do some market analysis before you can publish your journals on Amazon. See, blindly publishing a journal on Amazon is not going to give you any results. But if you know what kind of journals the existing users on Amazon are already looking for, then you can make a journal that's customized to the high volume search keywords. And that way, you are going to publish a journal that many people are already looking for. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can use this amazing tool BookBolt to your own advantage so that you can become a seller on Amazon, start selling journals and make passive income on the side. Let's dive right in. So the website is bookbolts.io. When you click that website, this is what you're going to see. This is the tool BookBolt that will help you do the keyword research for Amazon and also optimize the listing process for you, and you can check their product database and trend hunt. Once you log in, this is the dashboard that you are going to see. Before we dive into how you can create your product, let's take a look at the existing books that were created using BookBolt and what kind of money those existing writers are making. So if I go to the cloud section, I can select my category of notebook, journal, calendar, planner, sketchbook, whatever the kind of book you want to make. Let's just select notebook. This is the bestseller rank range. You can select the price range also. I'm going to select the price range for up to $29, and let's see how much money these notebooks are making on Amazon. So yeah, this particular book, every month it sells around 485 copies, and it's priced at $599 a month. So you can imagine how much money it's making every month. Another book, this is very funny, the name is very funny, but this one sells about 335 copies every month. It's priced at $899. So you can imagine. Similarly, there are so many other notebooks that were created using this tool that have so many monthly sales, right? And you can multiply the number of monthly sales to the price of the book, and you can get an estimate of how much these writers are making. And all of these books, they are just blank notebooks. All you have to do is have a cover design, that's it, and you can make so much money in passive income every month. So that's the cool, interesting part about BookBolt and how you can have a journal, a notebook on Amazon and start making passive income for yourself. Now, let's take a look at how you can create your own notebook using BookBolt. So before creating a book, the first step is conducting the research. So if you look at the left panel of this dashboard, you can see that research is selected already. So it's already selected research. Let's just go to keywords. I'm going to search for keywords. So I'm going to search monthly planner. So when you carry out that search, right, you can see how much that keyword has a search volume on Amazon. This basically means per month how many people are searching for this exact keyword on Amazon. So if you see 12 monthly planner, almost 3,000 people search every month on Amazon for this keyword 12 monthly planner. So if you incorporate this keyword into the name of your book, then your book is going to come up on the top when these 3,000 people search for this keyword. Then they can find your notebook, they can buy it, and you can become rich. It's really as simple as that. Let's take another keyword here. So I already searched for calendar. Let me search for journal. Journal for students. Related keywords, what are existing on Amazon that have high search volume. Let's have a look. So when I click that, see, I found 100 charts for students, 120 charts for students, and all of these have great search volume. In fact, achievement certificate for students has a search volume of 18,000. That's like crazy. So you understand that the keywords that have a high search volume on Amazon are going to get you good results if you publish in those keywords. And if we did not have a tool like BookBolt, it would take you ages to figure out what keywords are doing well, performing well on Amazon. But thanks to this tool, BookBolt, we can easily conduct our keyword research here, and then we can also get ideas of other frequent keywords that similar users use, and Google may what keywords are being used for the similar kind of searches. So this will give us a very good idea of how we can name our book, of the keywords that we can use in the description of our book, so that this book is optimized for searching on Amazon, and it can give you good results when all of these people actually come to Amazon and search for your book. So that was the keyword research part. I would encourage you to get a BookBolt account from the link in the description of this video and play around with the keywords yourself. I'm just showing you two examples, but you can play around, get an idea of what kind of keywords perform best, and then you can name your book accordingly. Alright, so the next step is, after carrying out the keyword research, the next step is the creation of the book. So on the left panel under research, if you click on create, you will get this option BookBolt Studio, and this is where you get to create your book, your own notebook, journal or planner that you can start selling on Amazon immediately. So this is what comes up. Paperback, we can select either hardcover or paperback. I'm going to select the paperback. I'm going to design the cover and the interior both. So I'm giving it a name, Students Planner 2024. Then you can select the size of the book. I'm going to select 5x8 inch. Then we can select the type of paper, right? Interior and paper. So if you want it in black and white, or if you want it in premium color or standard color, let's select premium color. Number of pages, I'll make it 100 pages because we saw that 100 chart for students was a trending keyword. So why not? No bleed, create project. So this is BookBolt Studio, where you have all the tools that you need to design your cover and design your pages. This is the cover design page. Here you have all these options of adding text, of adding images. You can upload images from your computer, or you can search for images on Pixabay. So on Pixabay, I'm going to search for pencils because it's a journal, right? So having a picture of some pencils on the cover makes sense. Let's take this picture. And then you can adjust it accordingly. So these lines that you see, these lines show you what part of the book of this page will be printed. So you can drag and drop, play around with it, adjust the size accordingly so that it gives you a good idea of how your cover will look like. Obviously, this is not a 1 hour process. This will take you some time to figure out what kind of cover works well for your book. So after you design the cover, you can design each individual page. So since it's a planner, it makes sense to have some background where there are lines. So here I'm adding a grid to this page just to make it look better. Let's see how this looks. So I ended up adding vertical lines. This was my mistake. So let's clear this and add horizontal lines. Undoing it, and I'm going to add horizontal lines. Yes. So this is something. This my page would look something like this, and then I can apply this to all pages, so that every page will have a similar interior. You can apply your creativity and add further designs to your pages and make them look appealing. The liberty is up to you. You can use your creativity and make your journal or your planner look as appealing as possible. So once you're done, let us save this. Let's download this file as a format, in a format where we can upload it to KDP. So I'm going to download current project. So I have downloaded the project and then I get these files. I get the interior of this paperback and then I get the cover of this paperback in a PDF format. So now let's go to Amazon KDP and I'll show you how you can upload these files on Amazon to make a notebook journal setup for yourself. So the search term that I use is Amazon KDP and I have been led to this page kdp.amazon.com. You have to I'm already signed in. These are my existing books, as you can see. What you have to do is create a new project. So I'll just show you how to do it. It's a paperback that I'm creating, a journal that I'm creating to sell on Amazon. So just some name I'm giving. So when you are giving the name and the subtitle as well as the other description of your book, make sure to use the keywords that you learned from BookBolt that work on Amazon, because these are the keywords, these are the parameters that are going to decide how well your book is going to perform. Then I can select my size. I selected 5x8 in BookBolt. So I'm going to select 5x8 here, no bleed. You can select matte or glossy, whatever you like. So this is where you upload your manuscript and your book cover. So the manuscript we already got from BookBolt when we downloaded the project. So I'm going to upload manuscript here. This is the planner that we got and this is the interior that we got. So I'm going to upload that here. The best part is BookBolt gives you these files in an easily uploadable format. You don't have to do anything extra. Once you create your project on BookBolt, you are done. You can directly upload that. So I'm going to upload a cover that I already have, that I got from my BookBolt project. This was the cover. So I'm going to upload it here. Yes. And once it's done, you can select if it's AI generated content. It's not. You can save and continue. And the next step is setting the pricing of your book. Uploaded the files from BookBolt. You don't have to do any changes. Maybe a few adjustments here and there, but it's a pretty simple and pretty straightforward process. And thus far, we have seen how BookBolt can help us create a manuscript from scratch, upload that manuscript on Amazon KDP and start selling your planner or your journal or your notebook on Amazon to make passive income every month without doing any extra hard work. If you are excited about this amazing product, then make sure to check out BookBolt in the link in the description of this video. So that brings us to the end of this video. I hope you enjoyed this detailed step-by-step process of how you can create a journal for yourself, do some product research on BookBolt, and then upload that to Amazon KDP and start making passive income on the side. You can join BookBolt today and the link to join is in the description of this video. Make sure you click it so that you can start having a passive income side hustle right from today onward. I'll see you again super soon with another new video. Until then, if you found this video useful, don't forget to share it with your writer friends so they can make some money on the side too. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more future content like this. I'll see you again super soon. Until then, stay awesome and keep writing. Cheers!